Hi, I'm Erykah and welcome to 5 Minutes With. Today we've got 5 Minutes With a content creator. Hello.
Hello.
So lovely to have you. Could you introduce yourself and just tell us a little bit about your job?
So, my name is Charlie Grayson and I'm a content creator. And the first thing that comes to mind when people say content creator is TikToker, and sadly, that is true. I am a TikTok producer for the Iris Prize Film Festival, which is exciting as it sounds. Yes. Very exciting, actually, yeah. So I'm that. I'm also a student studying film, and along with that, I'm a filmmaker. So
could you give us a little bit of an overview of what you do at each job? So like at Iris, and then for yourself, like what do you do?
Okay, so at the Iris Prize, I basically film, edit, produce, star in high quality TikTok videos for the Iris Prize TikTok page. So I run that and I also upload them onto Instagram as reels, and just hopefully to generate just more people to find out what Iris is, and then hopefully buy tickets, which is it's the main goal, to buy tickets.
That's what you go for. Okay, and then in for yourself, filmmaking.
So filmmaking. So it's like So I have a small little business kind of thing called Whale Boy, and for that I'm basically a freelancer, videographer, photographer, editor, all that jazz.
And so what is the end, well not the end goal, but as in what is the kind of, I guess your 5-year plan like?
I was going to say 5-year plan. I've got one.
You have? Okay.
Yeah, so after my third year, I'm going to do a master's in film, and then I'm going to try and get either a job in film and hope that leads long term. But if I don't see it going anywhere long term, I then will teach it instead. So I'm going to do a master's, a PGCE I think it's called, so I can teach further education, above, over 16s. Try and get a job in film. If it doesn't work, I don't then go in teaching full time.
Wow. Okay. So wow, I'm almost intimidated by your 5-year plan because I absolutely do not have one. But that, I mean, fair play to you. That sounds good. That's exciting. And so what have you found, obviously studying in Cardiff and working in Cardiff, what have you found to be good about doing all these things in Cardiff?
Oh, in Cardiff.
Specifically?
Well, Cardiff's booming in film industry right now. We've got sex education, we've got Doctor Who. So much stuff is here in Cardiff. So you got so many job opportunities. Everywhere you go, it's been somewhere. Like the University of South Wales, that was in Surgery and Adventures. Cardiff Bay is in Doctor Who. Literally everywhere is riddled with film. So being in Cardiff is definitely the place to be if you want to be in film. Yeah, definitely.
And so far, I know obviously you're still at uni, but you've done loads of amazing things. What would you say is your career highlight so far that you've done, your favorite thing that you've worked on?
So my favorite thing I've worked on is probably the Iris Prize.
Yeah.
I'm so chuffed I'm a part of something so amazing that is Iris. I'm really, really proud of being a part of that.
So aside from giving yourself previous Charlie advice, if you could give other early career creatives who haven't had the experience that you've had advice on maybe even how to get a job at Iris, or how to get into making your own films and stuff, what advice would you give people starting from complete scratch? What would you say?
Just do it. I used to film and edit all my short films on an iPhone 6, and if you have anything as smart as a phone, you can make a film. It won't be as high production, but it can still be good. It's all about the content of the story kind of thing. So just do it. And getting a job wise, just be present. Just do things. Just go out and do things. So I was in uni, and Chris once said, does anyone know Iris? So I read my emails. I said, I know Iris. I've watched 2 films, but I read the email and I know it's a film festival. From that was a chain reaction of getting a job in Iris, and then going for the festival as a TikToker, and then getting a permanent thing as a TikToker for Iris. So it's just say yes to any opportunity you get. And
read your emails.
Read your emails, that's really important. Read your emails, because if I didn't read my emails, I would not be here today.
No, I wouldn't be here if I didn't read my emails. So I think that's valid advice. And then can you tell us a bit more about Whale Boy and your films that you've made? I'd love to hear about the ones that you've made.
I feel like it's I forgot what I was going to say, but I've got a business card. This is how I can visualize it, because it's all on digital. Films are digital, so I can't. There's nothing I can show. I don't own a DVD or a poster or anything. But I've got this. I hold it in front of my face, so it can see. So that's the first. That's the front one. So it's Whale Boy making films and social content for humans and ocean friends. And then on the back it says filmmaker and content producer.
Nice.
And then specialising in videography and photography. We're available for promotional content, including that's an advert. There you go.
Thank you. Are you able to just let people know where they can find you? You can straight down there.
Yes, shout about on that. I've always wanted to do this. I feel like it's like The Office. Oh, so where you can find me? All my social medias are at Charlie Grayson, and then my YouTube's also just Charlie Grayson, and also the website, which says right here in the corner, this lovely linen business card, whaleboy.co.uk, because .com was taken.
Nice. Okay. Well, thank you very much for being here, Charlie. It's been great to speak to you.
It was a lot more stress-free than I thought it'd be.
Good. I'm glad. And thank you for watching this episode of 5 Minutes With. Make sure that you keep up with the Creative Cardiff social media for the next episode.